So yeah, we were doing stuff. So I had to get my makeup on and stuff. And yeah, been done. My mom, she left me here to go to a fireworks show. And I'm sneaking out because she's asleep right now. So I'm sneaking out. This is me trying to try to get out without getting caught. So conversation almost there, and I and I'm so happy that all of y'all. So I'm gonna be packed out. This is me trying to ride my bike there. It was so hard to go down that hill because every time I tried, I would always crash the car. Oh no, the cart. So